Hiya, me again. Just had these delivered from Amazon. They look quite smart. A pair of new pedals. Been having a few pedal strikes on my haibike, and so I decided to find some more pedals a bit shorter this way, because I thought if I can get them shorter that way, which these are about somewhere around the region of 10 mil shorter, which would give me a little bit more lean, because I'm not having strikes over like logs and things like that. I'm actually, like, it's on banking I'm having the problem, so when I'm curved over, that's where I'm actually striking the pedals. So I was gonna I did try to get shorter crank arms, but the two lots I've had delivered, they said they would fit the PWX motor, and they don't. Basically, they don't go around my chainring because it's a fat bike, I'm guessing. So yeah, so I grew up on that idea, and I've decided to go a shorter length across the pedal. And I've got a tape here so you can see. So when it's in, that's where it'll be, and that's less than 4 inches there, so that's pretty good. I'll turn the tape. You can see it's slightly less than 4 inches, so I'm quite happy with that. And if you hang on a sec, I've got one of my older types that I used to have on, that I still have on the bike, but a different colour. So this is what I have, sorry. And as you can see from the part what bolts in, it's way over 4 inches, about 4.5 inches. So I'm gaining myself 20 mil extra banking power, really. So I'm quite happy with that. Just put the tape back, and yeah, so as you can see, the size, not a lot of difference on the width wise, and if I get it right so you can see, there's quite a big difference there. So this is exactly what I was after, and yeah, so quite happy with it, really. In the box, and the quality feels absolutely fantastic. It's 3 bearings in there. Obviously it's a pair, there's another one in there. You get some washers, and you get a nice Allen key to do them up with. But yeah, overall I'm really happy with them. Anyway, I'll do a fitting video for anybody who's never fitted a pedal before, just so you know the difference, like, or rather know the difference of left to right on these, because of the threads are different. But yeah, quite happy with them, really. I'll show you the back of the box. I'll just do it up. So what you got here is Ride with a Dream. Fantastic. And there you go. Cost me £19. So I'm quite happy about the price, because I've paid a lot more for pedals in the past. But yeah, I'll get them fitted, and I'll give them a test ride and see what I think, and I'll let you all know. But if anybody knows what crank arms I should be buying to get shorter crank arms, I got 175 mils on there on my haibike, and what I'd like to do is go 160. If you know what crank arms I'm supposed to be getting, let me know in the comments. Anyway, I'll catch you again. Stay safe and get out and ride.